Okay, we have here today another integral from the Columbia Integration Bee 2022. This one was problem 17. We have the integral of tan squared times secant to the fourth x dx. Now, tangent and secant work well together. I think the important thing to know is the derivative of tangent is secant squared. Now, the derivative of secant is secant times tangent, but I don't really want to do it that way because I think then we would end up... I think the key here is because we have even exponents on the powers, I think we want to do it with our u substitution for tangent and not our u substitution for secant. So let's just do this right away. So we're going to say our u is going to be tan x and our du is going to be secant squared x dx. But before I actually make my substitution, I'm going to want to rearrange this to make it work. So we want a secant squared dx. So I'm going to write this at the end. So we set up our du. And then so I don't change it, we're going to have another secant squared x here. So this together is going to be our secant to the fourth, and we still have our tan squared x. And this here is going to be u squared when I substitute. This is going to be our du. But what do we do with this piece? Well, what I can do is just use a trig identity on this. Secant squared x is the same thing as tan squared x plus 1. So now what we'll do is we'll use that instead of secant squared x here, and I'll just go ahead and make my substitution. So here we're going to have our u squared. This is going to become u squared plus 1, and this is going to become du. Then I'll just distribute this in here really quick and rewrite this. So this is actually just going to be u to the fourth plus u squared du. Then I'll integrate really quick with power rule on this. This is going to become u to the fifth over 5 plus u cubed over 3 plus c. All I need to do is back substitute now. So for our final solution, we're going to have tan to the fifth x over 5 plus tan cubed x over 3 plus c, and that's it. Okay, good quick problem from the Columbia Integration Bee. We'll stop it there. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day.